So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So Play Store app is not working. Here's the solution. So first of all, tap on the airplane mode and off it after a few seconds. Now press on Play Store app for few seconds. Tap on here. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache, and you can also tap on clear storage. Now go back to the home page, open the settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Google Play services and tap on it. Now tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Again tap on clear cache, and you can also tap on manage space. This will solve your problem. But if it is still not solved, then again open your settings app, scroll down and tap on apps and search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, again tap on clear cache, and you can also tap on clear storage. Now go back to the previous page, scroll down and tap on system. Now click on date and time and tap on toggle against the set time automatically to on it. And yeah, but if you are still facing a problem, open Play Store app on your device. At the upper right corner, tap on the profile icon and log in here with another email ID. Yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.